If you're doing the same old workout and not seeing results, listen up. Today, you'll learn how a simple move called the Banded Dumbbell Floor Press can help you get stronger, burn fat, and save time. First, this exercise is super efficient because it works your chest, shoulders, and triceps all at once, so you don't need to spend hours at the gym. Second, adding the band increases resistance in a way that builds real functional strength, the kind you use every day, not just in the gym. Third, because it's done on the floor, it protects your joints and helps you stay safe while pushing harder. Here is the best part. You can do this right at home with just dumbbells and a resistance band. So no fancy equipment or gym membership is needed. Plus, moving through the full range of motion with the band challenges your muscles differently, making each rep count more toward fat loss and muscle tone. Many people think lifting weights is complicated or time-consuming. But this workout proves otherwise. Just 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, 2 or 3 times a week, can transform your strength and energy. Imagine feeling stronger, leaner, and more confident without spending hours working out. Ready to feel the difference? Hit subscribe and check out the full playlist for easy, powerful workouts you can do anytime, anywhere. Don't miss out on unlocking your best, strongest self.